here because I was in Head Start from the Region 19. So far it's been fun. We've learned a lot of leadership skills, and we've had a special guests come in, and it's been fun learning. Especially, I've learned a lot of things here.
Me personally, I always felt like I was an okay leader, but there were some things that I still need to work on, like communication, because normally I'm actually a very shy person, but they show techniques where it helps you open up and maybe become a little more relaxed in the social environment.
Through your nose, through your mouth, whatever feels more natural to you.
Oh, I've learned a lot about leadership and how to make yourself a better leader and to kind of put yourself out there in order to help those that surround you. It's kind of taught me that when I go out to college, I kind of need to put myself out there in order to get all the opportunities that are really there for me. It kind of showed me that if I don't go out and get out of my comfort zone, then I won't get the opportunities I need in order to be successful in life.
Learn about how to become a better leader, they give you examples of leaders, stuff like that, and then all the people around you, they discuss stuff like that, so that's pretty amazing seeing what other people are getting from it and their experiences and stuff like that.